What's going on? What's going on? Hey, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Come here, sweetheart, come here! Come here! There's another one there.
Someone else?
Ow! Shit! Ow! Ow! Fuck! 28! Oh, shot!
Hold your shot! Hold your shot!
It's okay, it's okay.
You got one bleed.
It's okay.
Shot, you okay?
It's okay. Oh my God.
Too damn shot!
It's okay, boys.
Ow! Fuck!
Where you shot at?
My leg.
The leg.
Right leg, got a tourniquet?
We're safe.
Oh, shit!
It's okay. We're safe. Mama's got you both.
Fuck!
We got one in custody inside, the other one ran out.
Hey, King.
I can get you guys to help. There's a bunch of towels over there. That's helpful for first aid.
Don't you fucking move. What's wrong?
It's okay.
Okay, one field walking west
Losing
on
feeling.
Blanford
Shit.
Street at the regional. Synthetic mail. Shirt, black man carrying his blue. Shirt with you going towards Antoine. Suspects are in the northwest.
Someone inside. What's going on? What's going on? Hey, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Come here, sweetheart, come here.
Let's see your hands! Get on the ground, get on the Shots fired! Shots fired! Where's he at? We have officer shot! Officer shot! We got one fleeing! Don't you fucking move!
It's okay.
Scott, you okay?
It's okay.
We got shot!
They're gonna bail on the dark city, jump in the back fence, going northbound. Looking out from Blanford Street. Slow down now. You know, from Blanford Street.
Don't you fucking move, okay? Scott, you okay?
We're safe.
Where you shot at? My leg. Your leg?
You got a tourniquet?
Yeah.
We're safe.
Oh, shit!
Black man.
Mommy's got you both. Mommy's got you both.
Where's that? Sam, move. We got one in custody inside, the other one ran out.
One in custody, other way out. Those conditions around.
Get you guys to help. There's a bunch of towels over there. Helpful for first aid.
Don't you fucking move. Which one?
1-1, Blanford now, still walking westbound. Okay, one still walking westbound on Blanford Street. He has a green shirt on. Synthetic mail. Shirt, black man carrying a blue shirt with him going towards Antoine.
On Blandford going towards Antoine, red shirt, black pants, has a blue shirt in pants.
LLC Anderson Tree is 7215 Blandford.
Is there anything on you? How many people are in here? Is there another guy or just two?
It was just 2.
7215 Blandford. Okay.
7223 Blandford at the corner of Antoine and Blandford up on the front porch.
Hey! Guys. Hey! Hey, get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground now! Get down! Get down on the ground! He's over there! Get down on the ground! Lay down! Get down now! Get down! Get down! Everyone down!
Okay, hey. Good? Yeah. I got 2 shots. Shut up.
We don't know yet. There's somebody back there.
Okay, someone, officer shot over here. Officer shot over here. Move shot so they can get to him.
Okay, I'll
Get out of the road.
Yes, boy.
We got 2 of them in custody.
Does he have a gun on him? Makes him doesn't have a gun on him.
He's always something.
He's got something here. Okay, he's got ankle monitor.
Yeah, we have one on set.
He was turn him, flip him to your side.
Yeah.
Fox, is the officer shot on Orderly or on Heartland?
What's he got here? What do you got here? Ankle bracelet. Okay, he's got 2.
All right, where's the officer that shot? Is it the main location, Albany?
Okay, secure him in your shot or my shot. It don't matter.
Yep.
Here, go. Just go.
Yep.
Get him.
Yeah. Hold on, I can't get up. Yep. I'm trying.
Come on, get him over here. Come on.
And the officer that shot is at the front door of Albany.
In the back seat.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not reading it.
I'll see it all.
Okay.